Hi guys, today's video is going to be a very quick one, I'm pretty sure. It is going to be a swatch video of the ColourPop Tinkerbell glossy lip stains, and I am super excited for these. I have tried two of the glossy lip stains before. They were the ones in like the cherry collection, so they were both shades of red. These ones are like nuder shades, so you know, something I'm gonna probably reach for more often than a red shade. But I did do a wear test in that video and it didn't like last as long as they stay on me, but I did eat a lot of food that day, so you know, it could just be the stuff that I'm eating. Like if it's like oily and stuff, it could just be taking the product off. But anyway, I'm not sure if I'll do a wear test today. I'll let you know down below how it wears, like if it lasted all day or if it kind of faded. Oh, I got my chin. Whoops. Anyway, let's jump straight into this. So there are only two shades in this collection and they both have the exact same packaging and it is freaking adorable. Like, oh, just stunning. The design team at ColourPop always does the best freaking job. Half the stuff I buy from them is just because of how it looks, like it's adorable, but I do honestly really love their products as well. Like I think they have such good quality makeup and at such an affordable price point as well. So let's just jump straight into this, shall we? The first shade is called Tinkerbell and it is this absolutely stunning pinky sort of nude shade. This is like probably gonna be like one of my favorite nudes, I reckon. We'll see what the other one is. I think the other one's a bit warmer, so this is more of a mauvey pink nude and I think the other one is going to be a bit more of a warm nude, but I'll swatch it and we can see. This one is called Clap If You Believe and it is definitely a warmer, more like brickier nude sort of color. I'm gonna start with Clap If You Believe on my lips just because I think that I'll like the other one better, but I do think they're both stunning and I think they're both beautiful nudes. They do in the pack though, I don't know if you can see them on camera, like it has like I think little tiny glitters inside of it, which I don't think I can see in here either, or maybe a tiny bit. You know what, I think I can see a tiny some tiny flecks of glitter. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see the tiny little glitters because it's in both, but anyway, let's give this a go. Okay guys, so what I can say about these products so far, I can't even remember, like the last time it was like a few months ago that I tried these, but from this experience, I really like them. I like the coverage. It's pretty, like it's quite a bit glossy, like you can see. It's not like super glossy like I've chucked on a lip gloss, but it's like a nice like subtle level of shine, which I like from this product because it's like a lip tint as well. So lip tints are kind of more, I feel like they almost like dry down, like less pigmented than what they go on with, but they are supposed to stay on your lips for longer. And I think half the time like the kind of top layer gets wiped off, but there will always be like a slight tint to your lips. But I do quite like it, and I do know in the past with some of the lip tints that I have tried or have used, not from ColourPop, it kind of sticks in the creases of your lips, the color. Like so if you have like dry patches on your lips and stuff, it'll stick there a little bit more than it will stick to the rest of your face. But so far I really like it. I think it is working great for me. It's the tiniest little bit tacky. Maybe not like the tiniest bit tacky, a little bit tacky. So just like slightly more. But it's not like uncomfortable or anything like that. It feels a little bit slippy too, but not like really slippy. And it doesn't feel like drying or anything like that so far, and I do like it. I do think I prefer this color, like I think I prefer the color Tinkerbell than the Clap If You Believe, but I'm not 100% sure. The Clap If You Believe color was actually a lot more, almost like a much more bricky sort of brown than I thought it was going to be. Like it was much deeper than I thought, but I did like it. But I suppose as well that's like how the shade comes off on my color of lips, because like it would come off like if people have different colored lips than me, it would like look slightly different because tints are a bit more like opaque than like a liquid lipstick or a lipstick. I do really like this and I would reach for this. Honestly, like I think it's really stunning and it feels quite comfortable. It just is that a little bit tacky, but I think often things that are more tacky, especially like this sort of lip stain thing, they tend to last longer. And it's not like tacky is uncomfortable. It's just like I can notice it. But the more I'm wearing it, the more it's like drying down and the less tackier it becomes. So I have a feeling it'll go away. Oh, I will say as well, before when I took off the first color of lip stain, I took it off on my hand as well. And you can see like this is like the tint that has left there. Oh, they're lip stains. I've been calling them tints for this whole video. Sorry. But you can see the stain that each color has left. So this is the stain from Tinkerbell and this is the stain from Clap If You Believe. So the Tinkerbell color actually looks so like hot pink, like fuchsia pink. Whereas this one looks much more of like a nude pink. I honestly would reach for both of these like for like an everyday sort of use thing anyway. I do really like this color. And I know it is quite like a, definitely more of a fuchsia pink, but it's like sort of like a nudie, fuchsia-y, berry, rosy color. I'm so good at describing things. But anyway, guys, that brings me to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions about the products, let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you would like to like this video or subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that too. And hopefully I will see you soon. It is going to be cream or like a liquid. Oh my god, what is my mascara doing? No. That is it.